body detoxification put together for 30 days called Fertility Cleanse Kit, based for men and women with gynecological issues and for everyone who desires to get rid of toxic substances from the body systems. Product description: Fertility Cleanse Kit is a blend of natural herbs designed to support comprehensive fertility detoxification that allows your body the opportunity to begin to naturally heal itself. Product benefits: Fertility Cleanse Kit completely eradicates accumulated harmful toxins and prevents the further accumulation of toxins in the body systems. It helps to safely remove pharmaceutical drug residue stored in the liver and blood. It nourishes the body's most important detoxifying organs, which are the liver, the kidneys, the colon, and the lungs, so they can perform better and more efficiently to increase your fertility. It helps to purify the gallbladder and increase bile production. It purifies the blood by expelling toxic products from the blood through the urine due to its diuretic properties. It helps reduce blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels in the blood. It helps to relieve abdominal cramping and pain, diarrhea, bloating, and constipation. It reduces inflammation throughout the body and relieves pain and swelling. It cleans up your intestines thoroughly and moves waste through your intestinal tract with ease. It balances the natural and beneficial bacteria in the intestines and helps to relax the muscles of the intestinal wall. It relieves indigestion and all gaseous complications and encourages a healthy digestive system. It relieves irritable bowel syndrome and other chronic pain disorders. It helps to heal the liver that has been damaged with alcohol consumption and prevent the liver from further damage. A great way to detoxify the liver, thus beneficial for alcohol consumers, helping you detoxify before and when planning for pregnancy. It helps your body to absorb more nutrients, minerals, and vitamins and properly utilize absorbed nutrients for the optimal functioning of the body systems and to increase your fertility. You can order Fertility Cleanse Kit now to completely get rid of toxic substances from your systems for better body